Good morning, guys. Another day in the life of reseller. Thanks for joining me this morning. Let's go get a quick workout and start the reselling day. Just finished the morning workout. It was a good burn, good burn. On to the next stop. All right, currently in the office. Going through my morning checklist. Sending offers to likers on eBay. Sharing my closet on Poshmark. Sending offers to likers on Poshmark. Setting up my marketing, the basic behind the scene stuff. Don't mind the mess of my desk, but we make it work. And yes, I do work off of 2 different computers. All right, time to drop the packages off to the post office. Then it's breakfast time. Small shipment today, small shipment. Gonna do a quick morning run to the thrift shop, do our thing. Inspirations, yeah. Let's go on in. All right, that was a quick trip into Inspirations. It's one of the smaller stores, got a few things. It's a little crowded, so I ain't take any video in there. Now, back home. All right, guys, it's currently about 2:30. Kids are out of school, so we're about to hit the road, head to the Jersey Shore Premium Outlets. Got the fam with me today. Not how I like to do business, but we gonna do our thing. Introduce y'all to the squad. It's the missus. Ain't nothing. We got her face. You know, our commentator. And the other one back there. All right, we're about to hit the road. We'll catch y'all. All right. We made it. All right. Ooh, sun's in my eye. It's just me and the boys today. About to take that road. Ooh. Get out for me, boy.
I slipped on my sweater.
About to go on this road trip.
That's a road trip.
Going to PA.
Well, we're going
and get some product.
We're all we're getting. Yeah, no treat store.
Thrift store.
Did you just say no?
Thrift store. Thrift store.
No.
Yeah, I will enjoy this. They reap the benefits. They enjoy this. All right, we just got to the first Goodwill up in PA. About to go inside and see what we can get with my 2 troopers today.
Yeah!
Let's go, guys.
Got you, haha.
All right, we made it to another Goodwill and outlet center. About to go in and see what we can get. We're not going into outlet center. We're going into actual Goodwill. You guys know the Goodwill outlet center is the bins. Pit stop to Wawa's. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. And until next time, this is Sean, Asian HBK.